This literature kit on Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson helps students better understand the novel with in-depth comprehension and vocabulary questions. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Match the characters introduced in the novel to their descriptions. Draw the map that Jim finds in Billy's chest. Summarize what Jim heard in the apple barrel. Explain who the character of Ben Gunn is and how he ended up on the island. Using multiple choice, identify the characters who said the provided quotes. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as identifying the character who has the biggest influence on Jim Hawkins and describing their relationship and how it affects the outcome of the story. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Using a sensory detail chart, students clarify the actions of the characters and the settings of the story. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.